In the last arrow video, I gave you a bunch of trades. The first one was this trade. I said we still have some longs that we need to liquidate at 0.09, and we did liquidate them. And I also gave you this yellow resistance slash support area that we broke, retested, and we took a quick scalp to view up. So the question is, what is going to happen right now? We're up to 174 grand, by the way, on meme coins. But we are also expanding with the futures trades. And right now, what we can see very clear is that we are in some kind of an uptrend, but it's not a simple uptrend because we just broke the trend line. We just broke it, and it's very important that we stay up and we clear these liquidations. There's liquidations on shorts right here, basically, that we want to take care of, basically right here, which is stops that will have this as a stop loss and shorts that will have this as a stop loss. Also, we want to mark another level, which is this to this level right here. So from here, here's a few scenarios that I'll run by you. First scenario, we go here, we break out, we clear out the liquidations, we dump to here, and then we pump. This would be one of the best scenarios I have. And in this scenario, I'll take a long, short, long here without short on the last tick. So this is exactly how I'll be training it. You can see more in the link in the description down below. Also in the description, I'll have links for, and by the way, this video is no financial advice. I'll have links for my course. I made it pretty cheap. Right now it's just 97 bucks. Weex Exchange, link in the description below. 20% deposit bonus. Whatever you deposit, you get 20% on top of that. And also in the link in the description below, I'll have links to my Signals chat. Love you with all my heart. See you next video.